Okay, folks, right, I'm finishing this off this week, so I should be finished by the end of the month then, and that can go. So not very much have to do, but what there is a shortage of is clusters. So I'm going to make some clusters. Just got to put some trims in, and I have finished the actual cover of it. It's just that I took it out because I sewed in the signatures, because I left it to what I got so far last year, and then I left it. This one's already sold, so somebody's waiting for it patiently. They saw it last year and I went, I'll put it away now and it's not finished. So anyway, yeah, just gonna add a few more bits to this. So, but there's if you look in my Christmas playlist, I done loads of things last year in here. Okay, because it's sort of like it's a scrappy journal really, and I was just playing around with different things to go in it and everything, with things that I brought out, little kits and things, and some pre-printed papers I had left over. So yeah, I haven't got much to do in it really, so good job, because it's getting a bit full. So I'm going to do some clusters today. As you know, they go in my little book, but I've lost my book. Oh, there it is. I thought I'd leave it here. So they all go in here. Yeah. And then, but I want them for that journal, but that's where they go, and I make more than I've got. So, and I do like them in this. It's brilliant. I just laminate that on some card. Just a tip. I don't use much glue. Or no, what it is, use a little bit of deli sheet behind the last bit of paper. Cardstock's fine, slight bit of glue on it, it'll peel off, but any fragile paper like old music paper and old book pages will stick. Okay, so I just pop a little bit of deli sheet on the back that I can rip off. Yeah, and that doesn't stick to that, so I will get a few bits of this just in case I need it, which I will need it, but so I just put them at the back to put them on here. Didn't even need as much as that. So I do like looking through my cluster book, I must admit. I look through it sometimes. I see journal covers, I see things for pockets, all sorts. I'm using today, it's honestly, it is all scraps from last year. Okay, all bits of paper, and there's some words, Christmas words. I think that's Tim Holtz actually. Yes, it is. Don't think he does them like that now, I'm not sure, but so some Christmas wordy, and stickers in the front, so might be able to use some of them. I've had that a very long time, so I don't even know whether they do that now, not sure. Okay, right, let's have a look. So I'm just gonna, I have got this one, a little bit of just like snow stuff. Snow stuff. So what I'm going to do is just pop a bit of that down. And sometimes I will go over them with a stitching, and things like that. So, okay, that's going to go there. Now I'll use glue. There's a bigger bit on there. Let's just do an easy one. So what I'm doing today is literally just letting the video run. Yeah. So I can, then I'll edit it bits, It's my only way, because I'm really using up my scraps. So I think that's a continual thing, isn't it? So there's all different kits that I've got here. So Oh, let's have a bit of that behind there. Okay, done. Let's do one this way. So this is from an old scrapbooking page, and I've loved it. I've hoarded it because I really like it. And then you can wipe these off. Even that shows there, you can just rip that off. It's not a problem. Right, so let's see what if I've got. I haven't got many actual toppers, but I'm going to put that there. I've got some more in here, so I don't want that too big, so I'm going to leave that as it is, actually. Okay, because I can always put a little bit of net behind that one when I put it in the book. We just have a little flower. Oh, I think I'll go for red. Just one of these. Yeah. Okay. Oh, someone's got a bad cough next door. I want one that way. That's what I use this up. Going down that way now. Put that in there. Okay. Got much green there. Put those over there. I don't want anything too bulky, so that's why I'm just a little bit looking, if you know what I mean. Oh, what's that? That'll go. I'm just turning this around because there's more gold running through the top, down the bottom. So. Now, do we put a bit of paper behind that? I'm sure I leave that one as is. I'm going to leave that for a minute. Okay, because a nice piece of washi tape on there would look nice. That's fine. Let's do a long one now. I do feel like I want a circle, but I don't really want one of those numbers, so there's a little topper there. Will do. Oh, you'll go in there. Vellum behind that when I put it on the page, and that'll be done. Okay, like those. Oh, I shall get another page out of my book. Once they're dry, I'll do the back. It's just a bit awkward. I'm going to leave it open on that page because I find it inspiring. There it is, that one. I really like looking at that when I'm doing them, even though none of them ever come out like that again. Somewhere. I'm going to have a bit of magic. Yeah. Okay. Let's use you. I might as well. I just put a bit of jute string in the top of that one. Right, I'm going to go ahead and do some more, and then I will come back to you. I've done quite a few already actually. There we go. I think I finished. Okay, I think I've got enough for the journal. I didn't want to do an overload. So there we go. So those. Did I do it on the back? No, not on that. Is that one there? And some on there. Found a little bow for that one there. Okay. All right. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.